Well, here's a simple Python code. And can you find the output of this code? You can pause the video to think for a moment and figure it out. So here, as you can see, we have created a list, and the confusing part is that in that list we have created many nested lists. So the correct output of this code is 4. If you didn't get it, let me explain why this happened. So this was our list, and the only part we have to understand is this nested list. So here we have to find the innermost bracket, which is here and here. So this will be treated as 0th index, and this will be treated as first index. So there are generally two elements here. So when we are going to trace here a0, Python is going to come here. Then we are going to trace the next part, which is 1. And now in this list, there's another list, and this will be treated like this 0, 1 and 2. And now it's going to come here, which is 1. So we have got 3 comma 4 here. And now the final part, which is 1 here, it can be easily traced like this. This is 0th index and this is 1. So we get 4 here, which explains our output.